Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to Butcher Block. I'm Gregory Burrows, and this is our third location, our venture into Kingston 6. We're in Lo Shusan Plaza, right next to Tutti Frutti and to Lo Shusan. We are gone into coffee, donuts, and sandwiches. We're not there yet, but we are open, and we're looking forward to seeing everybody here. So at this location, we have a pastry counter. So not only will we be making our own pastries, but we'll be featuring local Jamaican artists with their pastries every weekend. We have more space to feature more of our local artists. We have Kelly's Pepper Jelly, we have Tutsuke, Alexa Von Strale, we have Simon Levy Rose, OG Jaja, Shebre. We represent Weber, so we have one of the largest selection of Webers in Jamaica, accessories and grills. That's what we're known for. The best steaks in Jamaica. With the more shelf space here in Barbican, next to Lo Shusan, we have a large variety of Stonewall products. And what we don't have here, we provide to Lo Shusan. So both us and Lo Shusan carry the largest selection of Stonewall in Jamaica. And of course, you can't forget our fabulous wines, spirits, right here. And then you have little more chocolate. Again, a local chocolate here. And over here we have beef jerky made locally from Alec Henderson and his son, Dougie, from Trelawney. Great product. Alison Perkins, fabulous. Rummy rum cakes, very, very nice. And she makes an amazing banana bread, one of the best banana breads I've ever had. And we have our cheeses and our deli meats. All our deli meats here are the same ones we'll eventually start using for sandwiches when we start to do our sandwiches. Of our wines and spirits, approximately 70% you'll only find here and at Uncorked. We are a meat shop, but we also do cater to the vegans out there. Because, you know, not everybody in the family eats meat, so we have to cater to everybody. So we have our meatless meatballs, our beetroot and almond feta burgers, our meatless sausages, plant-based sausages. Oh, and down here we have more stuff. We have alcoholic Kiscos, an awesome invention by Christina Simonich. Love it. We have Chili Witch, of course, up here. Chili Witch is back with us again. Fabulous products. My daughter loves the honeycomb.